Hey, what's up, guys? Good to see you. I'm in San Diego. It's a beautiful city. It's got a beautiful skyline behind me. Over here, we got a really cool bay. It's the San Diego Bay. On the other side is Coronado. Just visiting here for a couple days and decided to come get a couple of really great shots for my one of my first videos in a long time for my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll have a lot of great footage from here on out. So right behind us is this band playing. They've been playing for a few minutes, and I kind of followed them a little bit, and they're just rocking out.